Hey guys, welcome back to another review. It's Stormtrooper Studio Productions here, and today I'll be reviewing the Trwckmaster Henry, the green engine. Now, Henry is based off the LMS Black 5, and let's have a look at the details. So looking at the model, they did great red stripes, and I noticed underneath the tender, it's red, which you don't get on most other engines. I think that was also from his Trwckmaster model. He's got the nice handrails, the perfect wheels, and he's got that wonderful face and buffer beam and back buffer beam. The beautiful cab detail and roof and domes can be really nice to see right here. Yeah, I really like this. So we're going to run Henry now on my new extended loop track, so let's go. Okay everybody, we have just got the extension of the loop track. I'm just going to uncouple Thomas and we're going to run him. Okay, so as you can see, I extended the loop track. So we're going to switch on Henry and give him a run. Oh. Move that along a bit. I think Henry's one of the more stronger models, I think. Okay. We're just going to let him ease his wheels a bit. He hasn't been out too many times on the layout on the channel. So we're going to let him ease his wheels. He's derailed. Right, I'm going to have to have a look at this part of the track. Oh. Okay, we're going to have to try the other way. Okay guys, so the other way works perfectly nearly. As you can see, Henry's sort of chuffing and movement without derailing did improve. And yes, there it is. Oh, he was slowing down. Right, I think he's had long enough to ease his wheels. Let's couple up some coaches. Okay, we've coupled up Henry to some coaches now. Let's see. Wow. I think we're gonna need somebody to help him start. Yeah. Okay, fixing the mess. I think we will need somebody to help Henry start. Okay, so we're gonna get in Thomas to help us out. So let's hope Thomas can do the job. Okay, Thomas, time to pull. Better turn on Henry too. Oh, bloody hell. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we'll just start up Henry. And Thomas. And yes, he has helped Henry start marvellously. But I've spotted one of the wheels have come off the rails. Okay. Henry is going nicely now that Thomas has helped him. We're just gonna get him out of the way. One of Henry's coaches came off the tracks. Right, thank you, Thomas. You better go rest. The reason none of the other engines have had too many coaches is because Henry has to be one of my more stronger sort of locomotives. Oh, he came to a stop. Right, my hand just reached him, but he's slowly beginning to try and pull the train. He's struggling a bit. I'm going to have to clean their wheels. I'm going to have to give them a good clean because Henry is struggling. Okay, let's test with some trucks, which I've never done before in a review. Okay, Thomas has just got to shunt those coaches away. Off he goes. Okay, yeah. Now that Thomas has shunted the coaches away, he's gonna go have a rest now. See you later, Thomas. Okay, so we've hooked Henry up to 2 flatbeds, 2 cargo cars and 1 electrical van. 1 electrical wagon. Right, we're gonna watch him now. Wow, he is really strong. Oh no. I think just one more loop around the track and then Henry needs to go and rest. Oh, right. Just one more loop, Henry. Can you manage that? Oh, right, I'll try and keep trucks on the rails. Okay. We're going to let Henry rest. Well, there's another accident. That's it for the review, guys. There, let Henry go. See you later, Henry. Thanks for watching the review.